The show's done, but before we hit the road, there's one more thing Customville does that no other show does quite like this.
I think I did a good job.
Very cool. Very cool. Let's do a photo together, dude. Show me place up.
Station 8 Barbecue, a 1920s fire station turned barbecue joint. The perfect place to give thanks to those who made it happen. The open road was calling, but so was the highway patrol. A quick warning and we were back on our way. And then someone forgot to check the gauge.
We're not so dumb after all, are we?
Feels good to be in a shoebox again. It's feel good, it's been too long. Gallup, New Mexico. Route 66 is starting to feel like Route 66 again. We pull over in Tucumcari for a photo op at what used to be Guy's Texaco, one of the most photographed spots on the whole Mother Road. It's been restored and is now a gift and antiques shop, but those vintage pumps out front still look like they're ready to fill up the Chevy. As the sun starts to drop, we roll into Holbrook, Arizona, and tonight's accommodation is unlike anything else on Route 66. The Wigwam Motel. Built in the 1950s, each room is its own concrete teepee. Inside the office, it's like a time capsule, native artwork, turquoise jewelry, Route 66 memorabilia, exactly the kind of place these cars belong. How rad's this? Morning coffee and a lineup out front that the Wigwam has probably never seen before. Winslow, Arizona, standing on the corner, you know the one.
Right, good looking?
Yes.
Get on in here.
Where are we?
Winslow, Arizona. Standing in the corner of Winslow, Arizona.
Perfect. That's exactly where I thought I'd get a ride. Williams, Arizona, one of the last towns on Route 66 before it was bypassed by the interstate. It fought back and won. The whole main strip is still alive. And then there's Seligman, home of the Snowcap. Juan Delgadillo opened this place in 1953 and ran it for decades. It's still going, still weird, still perfect.
So, did you want to know about the tradition that lived on?
Yes, of course.
Here.